What's up guys, morning. This is your boy Galicia and watch me how to clutch my exam this day. So what's up guys, so ngayon papunta na tayong school. Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa school. So nandito na tayo sa klase. Mag-wait na tayo ng instructor for our exam. Hey, what's up guys? Nagpa-vlog din for the sake of our grades. I'll keep you updated guys later. So mga classmate guys, kakarating lang. Tropa yan. So yun, natapos ng first exam namin. Ayan, nadi-discuss na sila. I think first question palang mali na eh. So I'll keep you guys updated on our next exam. Bye, see you. So ngayon, nandito kami sa canteen. So, babalik na kami ngayon sa classroom namin. So, we are back sa aming classroom. Na-start na kami guys. So guys, finally done the exam. And I don't know if papasa ba yun. So yun guys, uwi na kami. Kahit maulan. And nakarating na ako guys. So I think hanggang dito na lang. Bye. See you next vlog.